Alright, first thing you want to do is make sure you're getting in the rim and on the edge. Clean that very well. Otherwise the plastic dip won't stick to the edge of the rim and it'll give you an air bubble and you have to start all over. Armor all the tire first. Make sure, because plastic dip don't stick to armor all. Alright, that's step one. Alright, so the first thing you want to do, make sure your can's shaking up. And you want to hit the edge. Alright, thin coat at first. Get good coverage on your edges. Alright. First coat is mainly just a tack coat, and then from there you're gonna make sure you get all the creases and crevices. I mean. All right, I'm gonna go back around the edge again, and you want to make sure that you're getting a thick coat, because when it's time to take it off, if the coat too thin, then you're gonna have a hard time. You have to buy the release from dipyourcar.com. Who's not a sponsor of me, okay? Now the reason why I'm able to go right back over it is because the wheel is in the sun, so it's already warmed up. So it's drying, accelerating the dry time, so I can just hit it right back again. It's the advantage of being in the sun, but now I'm gonna go in the inside here of each side of the rim through all the spokes. So I'm spraying at an angle, about a 45-degree angle. Be careful though, once your finger starts getting tired, switch hands, because it's not gonna run like paint. But also, you'll start lowering the can too low and touch the paint. And you don't want to touch it. If you touch it, then easy fix, you just have to put more coats over it, make it thicker. If you get an air bubble or something like that, just let it pop on its own and then come back with the plastic dip and hit it again. Now I'll be walking in circles here on the next coat, making sure I'm getting all the spots. Again, you know, I'm keep putting multiple layers around the edge. Second coat. Now this coat I'm gonna put on a lot heavier than the first coat. Now if you choose to paint the tub of the wheel, you just flip it over and repeat the same process. What I'm doing is spraying at an angle down there so it can just fade it in so it's not that apparent, because the tubs of these wheels are darker. But if you have an aluminum wheel, it'll show that you only have the face of the wheel painted. Complete coverage. Make sure you're getting all the creases and crevices. It's pretty much one can per wheel. So when you're going to purchase your plastic dip, just make sure you're getting 4 cans. you got a fifth wheel, then you need 5 hands. Fine. Check for any imperfections. All right, last step is to, my bad with that sun. Last step is to clean the plastic dip off the tire. That's what you put the Armor All on that for. And then you put your new stickers back on it. Mount them. Be careful when you're mounting them, because if you scrape it with your ratchet or your socket, then you have to do touch-ups on that part of the rim that you just screwed up. All right, till next time.